Just hanging out here at a park in Brownsville, Texas. It's a beautiful day.
Little bit windy. Got some vultures here flying by.
Yeah, a little cuddle of turkey vultures. We call them TVs for short. Bunch of TVs surfing the airwaves.
Whoa, who was that just flew by?
Holy shit, it's a bunch of parrots!
Let's go try to find them. The birds come back to this park every night to roost in numbers.
Safety in numbers. They've been roosting at this park for years. They'll fly around till they find a nice tree to roost for the night. Or trees, because there's so frickin' many of them.
Looks like this group's found a suitable tree. They're on the wires. They're on the cactuses.
They're on the trees.
They're in the sky. They're everywhere. This is like parrot land.
I've heard there's 4 different species mixed in the flocks here. Got the white-fronted parrots,
Red-crowned parrot, the red-lord parrots,
and very rarely, the yellow-headed parrot, which we saw but did not get footage of.
holy parrot. And all this just like 50 feet away from a skate park.
Radical, dude.
We're heading to the ghetto, guys, because I heard that there's some parrots hanging out in the ghetto.
Or should we say, parakeets?
So we found the sketchiest part of town.
You can tell by the eviction notice and the occasional drug deal. How you find these guys is you look for big nest thingies on telephone poles, basically.
And we looked in the hydro poles for kind of things that look like these.
Yeah, a big bushy nest type deal thing. Oh look, there's a monk parakeet. Target acquired.
Most of these parrots aren't native to Texas. The monk parakeet also isn't native to southern Texas, but they've just bred colonies from like captive ones that got loose.
Yeah, these guys can be found as pets in pet stores and whatnot. But a population has been established here in the ghetto.
We actually saw a house here with a cage of them on their front porch.
So I guess they're catching them and selling them. Illegal parrot trade. It's ghetto. You make money how you make money. This one's giving a shot in the stink eye. They're very wary of people.
They like to hang out in the trees, and then they'll go back to their nests if they need some safety. I'd say this is a pretty nice thing to see when you're just walking around town, even though they're not necessarily native. Alright guys, so that's the end of the Bird Bros Texas Parrot episode. Hope y'all enjoyed.
Yeehaw!
Until next time guys, like, subscribe,
and share.
woohoo!
Yeah. Giddy up.